जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindha He is also thinking about the strategies. And now that Vanara Sainyam is a huge army. It is looking like Deva Sainyam. Now Angada started addressing all the Vanaras like this. Oh my dear Vanaras, now let me know. Ko idanim mahateja langhayishyati sagaraha. In this entire Sainyam, who can cross this ocean? Please let me know. Who can come forward to follow Sugriva's orders and to make sure whatever the word that Sugriva gave to Rama comes true? To make sure all of that, who can cross this ocean? Come on, let me know. Oh my dear Vanaras, who can protect all of these Vanaras by crossing just this ocean? Please let me know. Oh my dear Vanaras, if someone can cross this ocean, he would be able to remove the fear of all these Vanaras. Please let me know who can do that. Oh my dear Vanaras, if someone can cross this ocean, everybody will be able to go back to Kishkinda and have good time with their family. Who can do that? Please let me know. Oh my dear Vanaras, please let me know who can cross this ocean by which we all can go back and prasadat Ramancha Lakshmanancha Sugrivancha Mahabalam. We can make Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva happy and we all can be happy. Please let me know who is that Vanara can cross this ocean. Oh my dear Vanaras, if someone can cross this ocean, he is definitely protecting every one of us. He is protecting all of our lives. Please let me know who can do that. Like that Angada checking with the entire army to know that who can cross the ocean. Angada, he is asking all the Vanaras if anybody can cross the ocean. But na kaschit kinchit abravit. Nobody is responding to Angada. Everybody is silent. Then Angada again saying like this. Oh my dear Vanaras, I know that you are all very strong soldiers. You are all having such a great amount of valor. And you are all great soldiers. I know that you all have done such a great things in the past. I know that there is no one who can stop your velocity, your speed in this entire world. Oh my dear soldiers, at least tell me who can cross how many yojanas. When Angada asked like that, then Gaja, Gavaksha, Gavaya, Sarabha, Gandha, Madana, Mainda, Dvivida, Sushena, Jambavan. They are all saying like this to Angada. Gaja saying that, oh Angada, I can cross 10 yojanas. Gavaksha said, I can cross 20. Gavaya said, I can cross 30. Sarabha said, I can cross 40 yojanas. Gandhamadana said, I can cross 50 yojanas. Mainda says, I can cross 60 yojanas. Dvivida said, Angada, I can cross 70 yojanas. Sushena said, I can cross 80 yojanas. After all these soldiers said, then the elderly soldier Jambavan saying like this. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.